Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. And again, I brought an anchoring script for school morning assembly. When you do something beautiful and nobody noticed, do not be sad. For the sun every morning is a beautiful spectacle, and yet most of the audience still sleeps. Be like sun. And with these remarkable lines, a very hearty morning to all. Here is Ritu Singh from class 7 presenting today's morning assembly. A blessing is what we get from practicing righteousness. It is something we earn through good decisions and actions, and it is a gift that God gives us. Let us pray to God that we may keep doing good actions. And let us start today's morning assembly with God's prayer first. So, everybody join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. And after prayer, it is our duty to do something good for our country. Pledge reminds us that we have some duties and responsibilities towards our country. Let us take a vow with Ratish from class 8th. And after pledge, life is like a wave. Sometimes we feel up and happy, and some other times we feel down and sad. We should not let the sad times overwhelm us. Instead, we must sit back and reflect on things. Well, this is the time to generate positivity within us. And next, I would like to invite on stage Yukti from class 7th for today's thought. Good morning, everyone. My name is Yukti. Thought of the day is God gave us the gift of life. It is up to us to give ourselves the gift of living well. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Yukti, for such a nice thought. Do you know that why news is important in our daily life? It helps us to stay tuned to important updates of the world around us and to gain knowledge about various topics. Let's get know what is happening in the world. And for today's news headlines, I would like to invite on stage Charan Preet from class 7. Thank you very much, Charan Preet, for today's news headlines. Building a strong vocabulary over time can allow us to communicate our thoughts better, verbally or in writing. It helps to avoid confusion and achieve clarity. Let me enhance our vocabulary with Karan from class 7th. Good morning to all. My name is Karan. Word of the day is eminent, which means noticeable or worth remarking on, or very great. Synonyms of eminent are celebrated, distinguished, famous, illustrious. And antonyms are common, inconspicuous, inferior, insignificant. I'm using eminent in a sentence. She is an eminent teacher at the Kendriya Vidyalaya Punjab Lines. Thank you. Thank you for enhancing our vocabulary. Testing is a part of learning. Quiz helps to increase the level of practice and concentration, and it's time for self-assessment. Let us check ourselves through the GK quiz, and I would like to invite on stage Priyanshi from class 7th. Thank you, Priyanshi, for testing our knowledge. Did you know facts help expand our knowledge base so we are prepared for any situation? In addition, factual knowledge enhances our mental abilities such as problem solving and reasoning. And now let's enhance our mental abilities through amazing facts. For this, I would like to invite on stage Tapsi from class 7th. And thank you very much, Tapsi, for awareing us with such amazing facts. Talking leads us learn from each other. It connects us with the content. It is believed that speaking or listening is the most important academic skill over reading and writing. Let's enhance our listening skill as I'm going to invite on stage Naman from class 7 to share his views on health. And thank you very much, Naman. Tongue twisters are amazingly a great way to practice and improve pronunciation and fluency. It helps us in developing clear speech, improves concentration. They have a lot of benefits for us. Let's get ready to practice tongue twisters with Shaheen from class 8th. And thank you very much, Shaheen. When the people of a country united, they become the people with solidarity, strength, and are able to sacrifice for the well-being of other people. And our national anthem promotes nationalism and so national unity. Let us pay respect to our nation and sing national anthem together. And after national anthem, Today's assembly is over. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Have a nice day ahead.